Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to create a TikTok playlist. So to do that, let's head over to our TikTok application first. Once you're there, make sure that you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. And once you're there, if you just search for it, you could cannot find any option to just make a playlist. So what we need to do is just head over to a profile, tap on the three lines icon on the top right and go to settings and privacy. And from here, scroll down and go to report a problem. Now, if you can't find any option or topics with playlist, just scroll down and go to report and then go to any problem like report or just go to chat with us and then just tell them your problem. Write hello and write I'm facing, I want to make TikTok playlist. How can I do that? So as you can see, currently the playlist feature is available to TikTok creators with over 10,000 followers. We appreciate your presence and patience as we work to extend this feature to more users. So it means you just need to have 10,000 followers on your TikTok and then you will be able to access the TikTok playlist option. So yeah, wishing you good luck and we will see you in the next video.